Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial we will see how we can delete resources. So what we have to do, we'll use the endpoint app.delete, and using that delete we can delete particular resource. So I'll use /API/hooks, and then after that we can pass the particular ID which we want to delete. So request and then response. Now in this one, what we have to do, first we have to get the exact object, and for that we can copy the same thing that we were doing. Whatever ID we are getting, we can compare and we'll find the exact book which needs to be deleted. If that is not found, we can simply say this is not available. In other case, what we'll have to do, we have to delete, but here to delete the particular object from the array. So we have this array. If you want to delete any object from this array, you have to use some techniques which is called indexing. So first we have to do index, we have to get the index. So I'll write books dot index of method, and then I'll pass book object. So from here, whatever book ID we have, book object will pass into the books, and we will get the exact index for the given book. And then we have a method which is available in Node.js, or we can say in ES6, that is splice. So using this splice method, we can remove the element from the array. Just we have to pass the index number, which is basically index, and then we'll say that we have to remove 1. That this is the number element to be removed. So one object we have to remove, and this will remove the object from this list, or we can say array, and then simply we have to response.send back the book object. That means this particular object is deleted from the list. Save it, and then we have to go to the postman. We'll create a new request. Here we can say this is basically add method, and in add method we'll pass, so let's save this, we'll pass the URL. So here we have the same URL, API/books, and this is the ID which we want to delete, and this is the delete method. Rest other thing we don't need to give anything. You can check in the code also. We have to only pass the ID in the request URL. Click send, we get the detail, and we get the response also 200. That means this particular item is removed from the list. Let's save the request, and we can perform this send request. Now in this send request, we can see we have now only 2 items available. Although keep in mind, these things happening in your these things happening at runtime only. So still it will be available here. And if I'll close the application, Control C to terminate, and if you will run it again, nodemon index, and go here and then try to send the request, get request again, you will see all the 3 objects, Java programming and other things, since that was happening at runtime only. So hope you enjoyed how we can create RESTful API in Node.js using Express.js, get, post, put, delete method. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.